Watson can do it too. And Mommy's pretty. Edison? I'm having another one. I have good cards. I want it. Wait, when I open it. What is that? Whoa! Mr. Watson, we must call the fire department. They will rescue us. But you said that we should not move, said Mrs. Watson. How can we call the fire department?
Are you stuck?
Move?
Are you stuck? You need help? Put the guitar down. Put the guitar down.
Mercy recalled
Now
her
take the leg out.
lovely toast. Boom! Crack! Look, said Mrs. Watson. Mercy has escaped. She's going to find help, said Mr. Watson. She's going to alert the fire.